Dear on viewer, your comment left us in complete admiration. We read it and felt inspired to create a movie that will be not just a response, but a true journey through time and space. Your comment is not just an idea, it is a challenge that we accept with joy and willingness to give the audience a unique and exciting movie that will leave a mark in the hearts of every viewer. Thank you for your imagination and inspiration to help us create something truly great and unique.
Let's imagine a future where asteroids and meteorites threaten Earth. Earthlings, in their quest to keep the planet safe, have developed innovative defense technology. Here's what it might look like. Project Asteroid Shield. 1. Early detection system. Earth is equipped with a network of space telescopes and radars that monitor near-Earth space. Artificial intelligence algorithms analyze the data and identify potentially dangerous objects. 2. Rocket probes. Special probes with powerful rocket engines are launched. The probes reach asteroids and meteorites to change their trajectory. Uses thrust and gravity to deflect objects away from Earth. 3. Laser facilities. Laser facilities are placed around the Earth. When an asteroid or meteorite approaches, lasers are precisely aimed at its surface. Pulsed lasers vaporize particles from the object's surface, creating reactive pressure. This changes the object's trajectory and deflects it away from Earth. 4. Electromagnetic fields. The Earth is surrounded by a network of electromagnetic field generators. The fields create magnetic forces that affect asteroids and meteorites. This can slow or deflect their movement. 5. Space probes robots. Autonomous robots are launched that approach asteroids. They perform manipulations such as installing jet engines or placing mass on the surface of the object. This allows them to change the trajectory of the asteroid and prevent a collision with Earth. As a result, the Earth has been successfully protected from asteroids and meteorites thanks to this technology. The scientific community and governments are working together to keep our planet safe. Let's take a closer look at the early detection system for asteroids and meteorites. 1. Space telescopes and radars. Earth is equipped with a network of space telescopes that observe celestial bodies. Radars on Earth's surface also scan outer space. These instruments detect moving objects, including asteroids and meteorites. 2. Artificial intelligence algorithms. The collected data is fed to artificial intelligence AI algorithms. AI analyzes parameters such as speed, trajectory, and size of objects. If the objects pose a potential threat, the system generates an alert. 3. Classification system. The AI classifies objects based on their characteristics. Hazardous objects are separated from non-hazardous objects. This allows efforts to focus on monitoring and defense against the most dangerous asteroids. 4. Response management system. If a potentially hazardous object is detected, a reaction control system is initiated. This may include launching missile probes, activating laser facilities, or altering magnetic fields. The goal is to deflect the object away from Earth. 5. International cooperation. The early detection system is international and includes scientists and organizations from around the world. Collaborative efforts allow for effective detection and response to threats. The bottom line is that through this system, Earth can respond to potential asteroid and meteorite impacts in a timely manner, keeping our planet safe. Let's take a closer look at how rocket probes work in the asteroid and meteorite defense system. 1. Launch probes. Special probes are equipped with powerful rocket engines. When a potentially dangerous asteroid or meteorite is detected, the appropriate probe is launched. Probes can be pre-positioned in orbit or launched from the Earth's surface. 2. Goal achievement. Probes are directed toward asteroids and meteorites. Their job is to change the trajectory of the objects so that they do not pose a threat to Earth. Probes can approach objects from different angles to maximize efficiency. 3. Using propulsion and gravity. Probes activate their rocket engines. By changing thrust and direction, probes can impact asteroids. Gravitational effects are also used. Probes can approach objects to change their speed and trajectory. 4. Trajectory correction. Probes can perform several maneuvers to precisely hit an asteroid's area of influence. Once they reach the target, they can use their thrusters to alter the asteroid's trajectory. The goal is to deflect the object away from Earth or redirect it to safety. 5. Coordination with other systems. Probes work in conjunction with other components of the defense system. This includes laser facilities, electromagnetic fields, and other technologies. This includes laser facilities, electromagnetic fields, and other technologies. Combined efforts maximize effectiveness in preventing collisions. In summary, rocket probes play a key role in keeping Earth safe from asteroids and meteorites. Let's take a look at how laser units work in asteroid and meteorite defense. 1. Location of laser facilities. Special laser facilities are placed around the Earth. These facilities are on satellites, in space stations, or in orbit. 2. Detecting nearby objects. When an asteroid or meteorite approaches Earth, an early detection system signals a possible threat. Laser units are activated to respond to this threat. 3. Precise direction of lasers. Lasers are precisely aimed at the surface of an asteroid or meteorite. They can scan the object to determine the best point for impact. 4. Particle vaporization. Pulsed lasers vaporize particles from the surface of an object. This creates a reactive pressure that impacts the asteroid. Changing the mass and velocity of the asteroid allows it to be deflected away from Earth. 5. Trajectory control. Laser units can perform multiple pulses to gradually change the asteroid's trajectory. The goal is to deflect the object away from Earth or redirect it to a safe location. 6. Efficiency and cooperation. Laser units work together with other components of the defense system. Collaborative efforts allow for effective collision avoidance. In summary, laser facilities are an important part of the Earth's defense system against asteroids and meteorites, keeping our planet safe. Let's look at how electromagnetic fields work in the asteroid and meteorite defense system. 1. Electromagnetic field generators. Special electromagnetic field generators are placed around the Earth. These facilities create magnetic forces that affect objects in space. 2. Effects on asteroids and meteorites. When an asteroid or meteorite approaches Earth, the electromagnetic fields are activated. Magnetic forces affect objects, altering their motion. This can slow or deflect asteroids away from Earth. 3. Trajectory changes. Generators can create alternating magnetic fields. By changing the intensity and direction of the fields, asteroids can be affected. The goal is to deflect objects away from the planet or redirect them to safety. 4. Collaboration with other technologies. Electromagnetic fields work in conjunction with other components of the defense system. Cooperative efforts with missile probes, lasers, and other technologies provide a comprehensive defense. 5. Scientific research. Scientists continually study the effectiveness of electromagnetic fields. They optimize generator parameters and analyze the effects on objects. The bottom line is that electromagnetic fields play an important role in keeping Earth safe from asteroids and meteorites. Let's look at how robotic space probes work in asteroid and meteorite defense. 1. Launching probes. Autonomous robotic probes are launched when a potentially dangerous asteroid or meteorite is detected. They can be pre-positioned in orbit or launched from the Earth's surface. 2. Approaching objects. Probes approach asteroids for the purpose of impacting them. They can use their maneuvering thrusters to accurately approach an object. 3. Surface manipulation. Robots perform various manipulations on the surface of an asteroid. This may include installing jet engines, mass placement, or other actions. The goal is to change the trajectory of the asteroid so that it does not pose a threat to Earth. 4. Trajectory control. Probes can alter the trajectory of an asteroid to deflect it away from Earth. This can be accomplished by changing the velocity, direction, or mass of the object. 5. Collaboration with other technologies. Robotic space probes work together with other components of the defense system. Cooperative efforts with rocket probes, laser launchers, and electromagnetic fields provide an integrated defense. 6. Scientific research. Scientists study the effectiveness of robotic probes and optimize their performance. Research helps improve Earth's defenses against space threats. In summary, robotic space probes play an important role in keeping our planet safe from asteroids and meteorites. Asteroid Shield Project. 1. Detection telescopes and AI detect threats. 2. Missiles probes change trajectories. 3. Lasers deflect objects. 4. Magnetic fields slow down motion. 5. Robots manipulate asteroids. Subscribe to us.